Hello guys, today we are going to study the lesson 12, part 2. So uh, before we have studied also EMA MA, but it is about EMA 200 and MA 50. So you can check out the lesson 12, part 1. But today we going to study lesson 12, part 2, which is EMA and MA. EMA is exponential moving average and MA moving average, which is we set EMA 200, MA 50. Okay, so what is the difference between this one, EMA 20, MA 50, and EMA 200 and MA 50? So today, EMA 20, MA 50, we set this one for trading daily or weekly for short term. But if you trading monthly or another month for later months for long term, you can set this one. Yeah, EMA 200, MA 50. So that's the different. Okay, so as you are a trader for daily, you can set this one. Okay, look at in our example in the graph. So I go to BTC example. So these are the the big line here is MA, and the small line here is EMA. Okay, so I will set another color here. Example style here. Set color to be red. Example. Okay, so this one. I can add again. Okay, so when you open your trading view, it will show like this, and go this indicator here and set it MA or moving average. Okay, so set here, click here, so it will come up here. And one more is EMA, moving average exponential. Yeah, click on it, it will show up like this here. Okay, so MA we set it 50 and EMA 20. Okay, MA 50, click on put input here, click on land here, 50. Okay, so I will set our style here, color I will set it red, and the size is big. Okay, little bigger. And here EMA set it 20. EMA is 20. Okay, put on input here and land here 20. Okay, click on OK here. Okay, so look at the definition. So if MA 50 cross EMA and MA below EMA, so meaning the graph will go up, so you can go buy. You can position buy. Example in our graph here. If it below, yeah. So this is our BTC. Okay, so example here. See, this is MA 50. It below the graph 20. So you can buy here. So it's cross here. It's cross. It's also you add another indicator to make sure it's confirm go up or not. But this is a part of the TA trading view technical analysis. So as you see here, it the MA is below the EMA 20, so you can buy here. And where to sell it? To sell it here, see it's above the MA 50 EMA 20. So here If MA is below here, MA below EMA 20, you can sell. See here, the MA is above the EMA, you can sell here. So with it's very efficiency, very important. So another example, also here, yeah, also here, you cross MA cross EMA, and it's below the MA is below EMA, so you can buy here. And where to sell it? Here. So the MA is above the EMA, so you can sell here because they will down. And where to buy again? Here again, because it's the MA is below EMA again, you can buy here and sell it here. That's the method of EMA and MA for trading daily. Yeah. Hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.